Hey guys, we got this 2020 Kona electric, and we're going to be changing out these lift gate struts. I believe that these are the same if it's a gas Kona or an electric. All the Konas are the same. There's this little band that you got to undo. So you just use a flathead screwdriver and you pop it open. And then all you got to do is just pull that off. And same for this bottom section. We just give this a little pry, and then this thing just comes right off. And we grab ourselves a new one here, and then all they do is pop on. Fairly simple. If you want to put some grease, a little dab of grease in there, it probably wouldn't hurt. And then we just line this up, and bam, that's in there like that. We're ready to give this a close. Just make sure everything seats okay before we slam it. Sweet. That's that. We will be changing the other side, but it's the exact same procedure. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Check out the link in the description for these replacement shocks. And hopefully we'll see you in another video.